I'm at EMO 2019. I'm on the Geminis stand. Now, these machines in the UK are sold by DTS. In fact, if you follow our channel, about 6 months ago, I was actually at the Geminis factory with DTS looking at where the machines were made. Today, the story is a bit different because this is the finished article, and in fact, this machine is one of their most popular selling machines, the GT5 model. Now, this has also got a new livery on it. It looks different. They've refurbished the look of and feel of the machines compared to the older generation. But technically the machines have advanced as well. They use the rack and pinion system to move the carriage up and down the bed. Now, this is a far better method than a ball screw. It's also got twin motors on that rack and pinion, so it's more stable. It's got a better locking mechanism for when you're machining certainly components like this. You need that type of rigidity. They've also extended the where the swarf exit area here. They've almost doubled the width of the conveyor here. Now, you're going to be producing a lot of swarf with this type of machine, so that's a necessary addition. They've also lowered the height of the bed, so loading components when you're accessing the machine and actually checking out the parts that you've machined, having that bed lower is also an advantage too. The Siemens control is also now touchscreen, and this is the 828 version. Now, on this particular model, we've got a 1200mm chuck, and the application that's in it has actually been machined in the UK at one of DTS's customers on a Geminis GT5 machine. Now, it is actually a forging, but they actually turn either or both ends of this component. But what's really interesting is you could actually machine this part in full on a machine like this, because with the Geminis GT5 range, they're very universal. On this particular model, we've got a turret which has actually got driven tools, but you can have the machine as a straight 2-axis machine, or you can have the addition like this has of a turret with driven tools. You can also have a full B-axis on this machine, which allows you to do full simultaneous machining. And what's really good about this style of machine as well is the access. You can get into this machine, you can touch and feel those components, you can manage the manufacturing process much better with a machine that has ergonomics like this one. Now, if you're interested in any of the Geminis range, whether it be their most popular one, the GT5i, find out more by contacting DTS in the UK at dtsuk.co.uk.